Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, it's going to be a grocery haul, and the playlist will be linked in my description box down below. This video is hosted by Tiffany from SmalltownSix and Jessica Myrose over at Jessica Myrose. Be sure to check out their channels. They will be linked in my description box down below along with the playlist. So go ahead and check out what I got for 2 weeks, and this is going to be part of my meal plan, so that video will be out soon. So in this grocery haul, I did decide to pick up some of the Big K soda boxes. So I did grab strawberry soda, grape soda, citrus drop, orange, and Dr. K. I also picked up a gallon of milk, and I also picked up some mini butter croissants, as well as classic white bread and pastaroni. And I also picked up some of the garden veggie straws. These are cheddar cheese flavor, and I also got some barbecue Lay's chips along with some sour cream and onion popcorners. Those are the best. If you have not tried them, go ahead and try them. Every flavor is amazing. I also picked up some red potatoes, as well as some basmati rice and some cinnamon toast crunch cereal bars, as well as some strawberry flavored fruit snacks by Annie's. They're organic. Sugar, raspberries, blueberries, butter, and unsalted and salted, as well as some jumbo butter biscuits and some Chobani caramel macchiato coffee creamer, strawberries, and some Colby Jack cheese. I also picked up pizza cheese, mild cheddar cheese, and Colby Jack cheese. Did pick up some Go-Gurts. One can be frozen and the other one can just go simply into the refrigerator. Got some non-dairy ready whip almond milk, whip topping, heavy whipping cream, some asparagus, and I also decided to pick up some Fiji apples, as well as some cosmic brownies. I picked up some Swiss rolls and some brown rice so that I have a variety other than just white rice. Pizza crust mix. These are two. I love making these for the kiddos and for myself in the afternoon. I got some chicken rice-a-roni, as well as some organic strawberry applesauce. These all had coupons attached to them, so in this grocery haul I did save a total of $60. I got some of the Knorr sides, as well as powdered sugar, or you might also call it confectioner sugar, as well as some white vinegar, one banana as it seems. The rest are in a different bag, as well as some tomatoes to make things such as tacos. I did grab a Lunchable and some green beans. I definitely want to try these with some olive oil and salt and pepper, and just try something new for lunch or for dinner. Either or works with me. This is one of my favorite salad kits to get. It is the Taylor's Ultimate Caesar Salad Kit. You can find this in Kroger. I also picked up some shredded lettuce, and then I also went ahead and picked up some orange juice. So I had to clear the table. I finally was able to get a free box of eggs. Eggs right now are $5.99 per container, so I did have a Kroger Best Customer coupon for a thing of free eggs. I did get some little baby mini cucumbers, as well as some grapes. I love picking on my own grapes because these grapes were huge and I didn't expect them to be this big. Normally they're small and purple, and somehow I ended up with another box of cosmic brownies. Not sure how I ordered two, but that's okay. I also ordered some sour cream and chive mashed potatoes, as well as some buttery golden. So yes, I did pick this order up. I did plan this order out, as this is part of my meal plan. I also picked up some chocolate chip chewy granola bars in a 15 count. This is what I used to get in the local gas stations growing up if I just wanted something quick and simple to eat, and my grandmother would pay for these. They were back then 15 cents per bar, and now they come in a huge pack like this, and I bought these for the kids and myself to have for breakfast. They're really great. They also come in banana flavor as well. I picked up some of the Annie's Bees, Bugs, and Butterflies organic fruit snacks. I honestly think that these fruit snacks are better than the regular ones, as they have a more gelatin taste to them than the regular ones. I also picked up some grape tomatoes and some ragu chunky garden combination sauce. I do plan on making some spaghetti with that. And this haul, I also picked up some pizza sauce. Can't get pizza dough without the pizza sauce. I also got some of the mini semi-sweet chocolate chips, some olive oil. I did pick up a can of the sweet golden corn, some Nutella to dip my apples in, and then I also picked up one fresh piece of garlic, as well as some Annie's Bunny Grams organic birthday cake flavored, some bananas. Here's one, and I do have another pile right here. I also, in this order, got some of the lemon juice that has to go for the lemon muffins. And I got some of the New Orleans andouille smoked sausage. Those are definitely have a little kick to them, but they're really good. And I got some of the ground chicken, as I'm going to make some chicken meatballs for my meal plan. And then I also picked up some of these $1.99 Oscar Mayer Wiener hot dogs. And then I did get the ground beef 3-pound pack of hamburger meat, as I do have 3 days worth of meals that are going to need hamburger meat. So I did pick up some bacon, hardwood smoked, just in case anyone wanted some of that for breakfast on the weekends. Got some Lay's classic potato chips, and I did grab some of the Popcorners kettle corn chips, as this had a coupon as well. I was able to pick up some of the thick cut Texas toast, as I did find a recipe for breakfast to use this with. Got some lemons as well. I did pick up some cauliflower. This is a great bag that you guys can pick up and make these in the air fryer. I also picked up a bag of the Simply Organic mixed fruit melody. I'm just going to bag that up into individual bags that I can use to make smoothies. I think that this is new, but this is the Ida, where you can make the crispy oven chips. They are original. I'm sure I could sprinkle some sea salt on those. And then I did buy the Italian style meatballs, 52 count, so that means that they're small. Picked up some broccoli cuts, and these are cut very small, and you can either microwave it or put it on the stove. I also picked up the El Monterey egg, applewood, smoked bacon and cheese, and potato burritos. These are great burritos to heat up in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds in the morning and take on the go with you, as well as the angel hair pasta with herbs by Rice-A-Roni, and then the rice with the chicken and vegetables is really great, and I could not get the camera to focus to save my life. I also picked up the 100% whole grain rolled oats, as I want to try a new breakfast bar using these. And I picked up some Doritos minis. This is the nacho cheese. And I also picked up the Cool Ranch Doritos. As I said before, some of these things did come with a coupon. So I did get the soy sauce ramen noodles, as well as some fudge strips, cookies. These are original. And then I picked up the chicken breast. The chicken breast was $12.77 for 5 of these. I also picked up some pasta roni. This is the angel hair pasta with herbs. I think I have about 1 or 2 boxes. In this one, I have the Berry Patch Annie's Bunny fruit flavored fruit snacks. So these are organic, but like I said, they're really, really good. And I had a coupon on those too, so buy 3. I also bought some flour tortillas. I want to do some tacos. And I went ahead and also bought some toaster treats. These are the variety pack, blueberry, cherry, and strawberry. This is something that makes a great quick breakfast to have on the go. I also picked up the Nature Valley soft baked muffin bars. These are apple cinnamon. I bought those definitely for myself to have for breakfast in case I don't have anything to fix or have anything ready. And this is the part where I tell you all thank you so much for watching this grocery haul. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you check out that playlist that will be linked in my description box down below.